Assalamu alaikum 7th class, it's English letter, and today we have to start our lesson number 9 from page number 59. Students, it's the last lesson of the first term. Dostoevsky writes from the prison. It means he was writing to his brother from the prison, and today we have to read about the life story of the Dostoevsky and the activities which he started in the Russian society. Okay, before starting, we must read about the writer. Students, Dostoevsky was born in 1821 and died in 1881. His full name was Fyodor Dostoevsky, and he was a Russian novelist, journalist, and a short story writer. First one, novelist, journalist, and then short story writer. His first novel was about the poor folk, which appeared in 1846, and then The House of the Dead, it's the second one, published in 1860, and then the last one, Crime and Punishment, that was about the individual's part and redemption. It means the punishment, and then Liberty, about his own life, we can say. That was published in 1866. Okay students, let's start its main topic. Students, as we have read that he was a short story writer, novelist, and a journalist. When he was of just 90s or 20s, he started activities with the socialist. It means in his time the social and the political activities were going on in the Russian society, so he liked to participate in these activities. In 1842 he joined a group of the socialists. He worked a lot there, and he exposed many realities of the Khazar. And the Khazar was the king of the Russian society, and these things were not good in his favor. So he didn't like these activities that were going on in the Russian society. So along with the Dostoevsky, he arrested many friends of the Dostoevsky. Dostoevsky was just of 28 when he was sent to the prison. It means जब वो सिर्फ 28 का था तो उसको जेल में भेज दिया गया इस जुर्म की सज़ा में कि उसने जो वहाँ का बादशाह था रशियन सोसाइटी का, उसके जो ख़िलाफ़ है, उसकी जो पॉलिटिकल रिफॉर्म चीज़ें थी, उसकी जो रियलिटीज़ थी, उसको एक्सपोज किया था, आवाम के सामने लेके आया था. एंड देन फॉर दिस थिंग्स दे वर सेंटेंस्ड टू डेथ, बट बिफोर द जस्ट फ्यू मिनट्स they were executed. It means their punishment was changed and they were sent to the Siberia. The temperature and the atmosphere of the Siberia was very severe, and so they had to feel, or they had to face over there the very severe winter, and a lot of the prisoners died there due to the severe winter. And such as Dostoevsky had to spend over there 4 years by doing hard labor. And students, there is a letter which he wrote to his brother just leaving the prison, and he wrote the letter of his brother from the Peter and Paul fortress on December 22, 1849, in which he told to his brother that he is just about to leave the prison, and he had to spend 4 or more than 4 years in the prison of the Siberia, where the temperature is very severe. And after leaving the prison of the Siberia, he will have to participate in the battle as well. And after that, and after these things, he will be announced free from all the punishment. So When he wrote to his brother and to his family, he was not worried, but he said that he would miss them. Students, in the remaining part of the letter, he said to his brother that he would not waste his time in the prison, because the time of the 4 years is a very long period. So he will make use of this time. He said to his brother that to provide him some facilities like stationery and notebooks and such type of the things, so that he can make use of his time in the prison, and he want to increase in or enhance his experience in writing. He wants to write in the prison as well. So we can see that or observe that while while receiving his punishment, he was not worried, but he was worried about the wastage of the time. So that's why wherever we are, we should make use of our time. This is the main theme of this lesson. We should not lose our heart. Instead of make use, we should make use in every case. So in 1853, Dostoevsky was set free, and he wrote his great novels after 1855. Students, I hope that your concept about the main theme and the Dostoevsky's life is clear. Now we should study the difficult word meanings of the letter. First one is intended. Planned means मनसूबा बनाना, arrested, imprisoned, गिरफ्तार करना, हिरासत में लेना, read out, sent information, it means written information, shot, killed, मारना या मारा, remembered, recall to the mind, आदा करना, दोबारा याद करना किसी चीज़ को, enough, sufficient, काफ़ी होना, reforms, make positive change, इस्लाहात लेकर आना किसी जगह पर, compulsory, required, लाजमी हिस्सा, स्ट्रेंज, ओड, अजीब, फोर्ट्रेस, सिक्योर प्लेस, एक बड़ा सा मज़ाफ़ाती इलाका जो कि मज़बूत भी हो, वरीड, कंसर्न, परेशान होना, रिफ्यूज़, डिमे, इनकार करना. Students, I hope that your concepts about all the things are clear. Read the book read meanings as well, and learn the reading. It means that learn the how to read with the intonation. Let's start. When Dostoevsky was in his 20s, he joined a socialist group that intended to bring about political reforms in Russia. This made the Khazar angry, and in 1849, at the age of 28, Dostoevsky, along with his friends, was arrested. They were sentenced to death, but a few minutes before they were to be executed, their punishment was changed. It was decided to send them to Siberia. This province in the north of Russia has a very long and severe winter, and mid prisons died there. Dostoevsky spent 4 years in hard labor in Siberia, followed by a team of compulsory military service. Just before leaving for Siberia, Dostoevsky wrote a letter to his brother. Such as students learn the reading of the remaining passage. In the next video, we'll complete our comprehension. Till then, Allah Hafiz.